Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have made this video on a very important topic, how to choose the right career for yourself. I have seen many students, even after their class 12 exam, they are unable to choose a right career or right subject for themselves. So this is a very important question and students should know. So without wasting much time, let's get back to this. Now the students who have recently passed class 10th exam in this pandemic, for them I just want to suggest you try to analyze your hobbies, try to analyze your dreams, your desires first of all. Secondly, try to see what is your favorite subject. Here, favorite subject doesn't mean that the subject where you have scored the most. I have seen that during career assessment, the students who scored most marks in science subject has not proved himself or herself as a good engineer in their future career. Or the students who has got poor marks can be a successful doctor or engineer or scientist. So your marks doesn't decide your favorite subject. Your interest decide your favorite subject. First of all, you have to see in which subject your interest lies. Secondly, you have to search it in Google what are the career opportunities in those subjects. If you like science, try to see what are the career opportunities in science streams. You will get enormous career opportunities like doctors, scientists, engineers, astronauts, geologists, etc. etc. After that, try to see what are the job opportunities in those subjects. If you take engineering as an example, try to see what are the jobs for an engineer. You will get lots of government jobs, you will get lots of private jobs, right? Suppose if I take an example of government job in PSUs like Oil India, ONGC, SAIL, GAIL, BHEL, etc. You will see what is the eligibility criteria to get job into those companies. So there you can find minimum 65% marks in graduation, in 12th or in 10th. Then you will analyze, okay, I have to get minimum or more than 65% marks just to appear for the entrance exam. And in this way, you can segregate it and try to write all these points in your diary or journal. And to get good marks, I have to choose a good college. So I have to pass my class 10th exam with a very good result so that I get a good college or good school for 11 and 12. And in 12th also I have to crack some of the entrance exams like NEET, then some JEE, etc. so that I get a good college from where I can get the campus recruitment. In this way, when you will write all the points and when you will segregate these points, you yourself will get the result. You need not to ask to any persons. Always try to write it down. Never think, because our mind have more than 10,000 thoughts per day. It will mingle up. So always try to write it down, and when you will write it down, your interest will become more in that particular subject. Try to write the salary also of particular jobs holder in that particular field. Suppose what is the salary of a banker, what is the salary of a scientist, what is the salary of a doctor, what is the salary of an astronaut. Try to search. Everything is there in Google nowadays. Or try to talk to some person in that respective field. Suppose if there is an engineer of a PSU job from a PSU sector, try to talk with him how he has got into that line. If there is a captain, try to talk with him how he have choose army and what subjects he have learned in his life and how he have become a captain. So when he will talk the person of that concerned department, you will understand how they have studied in their life and how they have achieved their goal. Try to talk with your teachers. They will give you more guidance about that particular subject in which you have showed interest. Or you can try to talk with your parents, whom you trust most and who love you the most. Or if there are some career counselors in your locality, try to talk with those career counselors also. Here in Kaushik Educational Foundation, we used to do some psychometric assessment where the students himself or herself knows which subject is best for her or for him, and it has proven 100% satisfied results till today. Nowadays in this pandemic, we are doing online career counseling also. So if some students still have some doubt, they can contact us through the link given in the description and we can do the psychometric assessment. I hope whatever points I have told today, it will definitely help you to choose the right career for the students. Just try to find out the interest in your subject, try to find your hobbies, try to search what are the career opportunities based on those subjects, then try to see what are the good colleges where you can study those subjects, and to get seat into those good colleges, what are the entrance exams you have to give. If you segregate all these points, the interest will grow more and you yourself will study more hard. No person or no any other person have to force you or compel you to study, to say you to study. You yourself will study more harder. I wish you all the best and I hope you will all have a very bright future and a very good career prospects. With this, I thank you all once again. For more career opportunities, stay tuned with us. Take care of yourself. Thank you. God bless you all.